We're working on a second Christmas from Uncle Dave. And Sparty,
wow,
is evidently well practiced at getting presents open. This, of course, has scared Thor, and he's gone. You big baby. Evidently, it's something Sparty thinks she might like. Because, you know, they don't get any treats.
get paper stuck on her lip.
Got paper stuck on your lip there, Spart. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Hey, Thor!
Here, Thor! Come here, Thorby! Thor! Come here! Is that something you want? Now sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit. Sit, Thor. Sit.
Camera scary.
Thor's gone back downstairs again. The girls know to hang around. Crunchy? Oh yeah. Scooby snacks. This is crunchy. I need to go off by myself and enjoy this. Lay down and work on it. Sparty says, what was that? I got something? It's all gone already. Oh. The Christmas presents from Uncle Dave.